What is the Photos tool in Goodnotes and what do you use it for? There's only a few times that you'll ever need to use the Photos tool, so let me show you the best way to use it and what it's for. The Photos tool is not really for stickers. It's not for like images of stickers that you have saved. You can use it for that, but Photos tool is basically the photos that you have on your iPad or like your iPhone. It's the pictures that you take of you and your family all the time. So whenever you click on the Photos tool, it's going to pop up with everything that's in your camera roll. So this is going to be pictures of you, most likely, or pictures that you've taken. And these are really great. It's a great tool if you wanted to use this for like memory planning. So let's say you wanted to add a picture of you and your husband, like this one. You can click on it, add it right in, angle it however you want it, and add it to your planner. So that's one thing that you can do with the Photos tool, and adding them into your planner and memory planning with them. Now you can also kind of have some fun with this and crop it. So whenever you're using the Photos tool, you can crop. So I'm going to click right here on these three dots, and I'm going to go down to crop images. Then I'm going to go to freehand. So if you want to do it rectangle, you could make this, you could bring it in, make it however you want. But you can have some more fun with this by going to freehand, and you can make these kind of like a blob sticker. Hit done. And now it's going to be like this fun shaped image sticker. Another way you can do this is with like Pinterest. So if you went to Pinterest and let's say you downloaded like a fun quote. So just go to fun quotes and lettering, and let's just save this one. So I'm going to long press on this, click right here on the three dots, and hit download image. So that's going to save to my images or to my photos. Go back to my Goodnotes, make it bigger. Nope, make it bigger. Click on images. That image is going to be there. Let's say I want to get rid of all of this pink around this. I'm going to do the same kind of thing. Go to crop image. I'm going to make a circle. Hit done. And now I have this cute little like quote that I can use here. So that's how you can use photos within your planner, and how you can crop them and make them a fun part of memory planning in your digital planner.